Meaning of Delta Force.
Delta Force.
Delta Force.
Delta Force.
Delta Force. Delta Force is a highly trained, elite special operations unit within the United States Army. It was established in 1977 and its primary mission is to conduct clandestine missions, such as hostage rescues and counter-terrorism operations. Delta Force is known for its exceptional skill and training, with members undergoing rigorous selection and training processes. The unit has been involved in many high-profile operations, including the capture of Saddam Hussein in Iraq. Overall, Delta Force represents one of the most formidable and respected special operations units in the world.